Welcome to Panther Air. This is Rami Musa. Today we're in Fort Worth, Texas. We're going to be working on a restaurant project here. And as you can see, we've got some of our roof curbs set up for our exhaust fans. The farthest one towards the column is going to be for one of the actual grease ducts. The middle one will be for our dishwasher, and then this last one will be an actual side discharge fan that we're going to have. And its ductwork is actually going to run, kind of come back straight behind it and sit on some rails from the exhaust fan over and back to where it's going to penetrate the roof. Here what we've got is going to be where the DOAS unit is going to go, and just off to the side we currently have the DOAS curb itself just moved over currently. And as you can see, all the orange areas on the perimeter is where the actual outside of the curb will be, and in the center spot there is where we're going to be taking out the actual roof material, and then we will be having our coring contractor come out and cut that hole so we can actually drop our duct. Stay tuned for the continuation of the project and some updates as we get the hole cut and we get the curb set. And eventually there'll be a DOAS unit here that will serve the kitchen area. Those penetrations are where our exhaust ducts are going to be rising up through the building, through several floors, up to the roof where we were earlier. Here are the hoods that we're going to be using in the space that we'll be installing. Here's some of our ductwork for our air handler. It's going to go all the way around the perimeter of the building. As you can see, this is going into several slot diffusers that are going to be washing the windows on one side and then hitting the conditioned space and occupants on the other. And all of that will be hidden above a sheetrock hard ceiling here at the restaurant we're doing in downtown Fort Worth.